In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to check your current Facebook account password from an Android phone. If you ever saved your Facebook account password to your Google Password Manager, you can easily check your current password of your Facebook account. Let's see how to do it. You have to open a Google app on your Android phone. So I'm just opening Gmail app, for example. Tap on your account photo and select the exact Google account in which account you saved your Facebook account password. Now, tap on your profile photo and tap on manage your Google account. In here, you have to select security and sign in option. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on password manager, and you directly jump into Google Password Manager. In here, you have to scroll down and find out Facebook, or you can use the search password option to find out Facebook. So I'm tapping on Facebook and verify your phone lock. And here you will find all of your Facebook accounts saved login credential. So we can see this account email username is this one. You can tap on this little eye icon to make the password visible for the specific Facebook account. Thanks for watching.